Are you dreading going home for the holidays? I don't blame you. You're about to return to the environment in which many of your original wounds took place. Have you ever noticed that you fall back into old patterns or phrases when you're around family? So what's the trick of enjoying your holidays without spiking the fuck out of your eggnog? Repairing your mother wound. Your first connection, your mother. Your main source of safety, your mother. Your fear of abandonment, yup, your mother. And you may be thinking, but Jenna, my childhood was great and my relationship with my mother is amazing. This is not mother blaming. This is mother healing. No matter how amazing your mother is and was, you still have needs that went unmet. And this plays a huge role in how you show up as an adult. Paralyzing perfectionism, lack of self-confidence, lack of self-worth, the ability to set healthy boundaries, allowing people to run all over you, people-pleasing, which is connected to boundaries. But then this weird sense of just not feeling like you belong or that there's something wrong with you. In my 7-step video course, Monumental Healing, I guide you through step-by-step the process of repairing your mother wound. We go through anger, forgiveness, inner child healing, and becoming your own inner mother, and much more. If you want access to trainings that combine mindset and strategy to create actionable steps to create tranquility for the holidays with ease, Monumental Healing is for you. Not to mention it's 67% off right now for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. You're welcome.